Have you ever wondered why black windows always seem to cost just a little bit more? They're the same size, same glass, so what gives? It's not just about the color. It's about what it takes to make that color last, especially here in the Texas sun. Black windows look incredible. They add instant curb appeal and give any home a clean, modern edge. But the truth is, making a window black is way more complicated than just changing the paint. Dark colors absorb heat and UV light, which means manufacturers have to use higher quality materials and special coatings to keep them from fading, cracking, or peeling. And that's where the extra cost comes in. For vinyl windows, manufacturers have to go through a multi-step high heat process, either applying multiple baked-on coats or wrapping the frame in a UV-resistant laminate. It's labor-intensive and that durability doesn't come cheap. Fiberglass handles heat and UV much better, so black finishes are actually easier and longer lasting there. That's one reason many homeowners choose black fiberglass windows. There's fewer coatings, better performance, and less fading over time for nearly the same cost. When homeowners choose black frames, they often go for premium designs, things like matching black hardware, specialty shapes, or custom grid patterns. Each of those details takes more time, materials, and precision to get just right. So even if it's just the color you're after, the overall package tends to include higher-end design features that can also raise that total cost for you. Black windows don't just look sharp, they're timeless, versatile, and surprisingly practical. They hide fingerprints, minimize visible wear, and make your views pop by framing the glass more dramatically. They also boost resale appeal, so while they might cost more up front, their long-term value often pays off when it's time to sell your home. Black vinyl looks great at first, but in our climate, it can warp, fade, or soften over time. Fiberglass windows, on the other hand, are built for heat and UV exposure. They hold color longer, need less maintenance, and stay strong for decades. And the cost difference? Not as big as you'd think once you factor in longevity and performance. How much more should I expect to pay for black windows? And how do I budget for it smartly? Typically, you're going to see a 10 to 20% premium, but you can plan for it and make it work for your home. If you love the look of black windows, set expectations early. Ask about materials, warranties, and color-fast finishes. And if you're in Texas, fiberglass gives you better heat performance without a huge jump in price. At Southwest Exteriors, we help homeowners compare materials, plan for their goals, and even explore no-interest financing options to make this process easy. So are black windows worth it? Absolutely, especially when they're built to last. If you're thinking about upgrading and live in the San Antonio area, schedule a free, no-pressure consultation with Southwest Exteriors. We're going to walk you through your options, show you the real differences between vinyl and fiberglass, and help you find a design that fits your home and your budget. If you're not in the San Antonio area and you have questions about black windows, fiberglass, windows in general, hit them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want to give you the look you love coming home to.